Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How you been? I am back with a makeup tutorial, and today we're going to be doing this beautiful and colorful makeup look. So if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel and join the family. Let's learn, explore, and test makeup products together. Without further ado, let's get into it. For the primer today, I'm going to be using MILANI Prime Shield Face Primer. For the foundation today, I'm going to be using a Revolution Matte Base Pore Blurring Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F2. And I'm going to apply my favorite face brush of all time, BLENDSMART. For the concealer, I'm going to be using the SUPERSIZE Revolution Concealer in the shade C2. Then with concealer C14 from Makeup Revolution, I'm going to contour my face. To set everything in place, I'm going to be using baking powder from Makeup Revolution, Banana Light. For the brows, I'm going to be using Pro Studio from BHCOSMETICS, the Ultimate Brow Palette. For the eyes, I'm going to be using Be the Game Changer from Obsession. And for my crease and transition color, I'm going to be using Hot Stuff, and I'm going to apply it with the Sigma E38. Normally I start at the outer corner, and then whatever's left on the brush, I bring it in and buff it in the inner corner. And then I'm going to go in with the cinnamon and try to intensify a little bit the outer corner and to where I want to cut the crease. Make it a little more dramatic. Bring it in the outer corner and then slowly around my eye socket to just open the eye a little bit more, but yet not go too far. I'm gonna cut the crease with Revolution Pro Full Coverage Camouflage Concealer in the shade C1. Then I'm going to apply the BH Diamond Dazzlers in the shade Luxe. And then in the inner corner, I'm going to be using the Revolution Skin Kiss Highlighter. For the eyeliner today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible in the Blackest Black. And to darken my outer corner, I'm going to the shade Success. For the mascara today, I'm using highly rated mascara from MILANI Cosmetics. I'm gonna add some lashes on and I'll be right back. Then with Hot Stuff, I'm gonna go back in and apply it under eye. Then I'm gonna go back into the same shade I used on my eyelid and apply it under eye. Then with my Sigma E15, I'm going into the shade Success, and I'm gonna apply it underneath the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna go all the way close to the eye and then drag it out. Then a little bit of mascara for the under eye. Then with the gel liner, I'm going to go on the waterline. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the Pro HD Powder Contour Palette from Makeup Revolution. For the blush, I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution Sunlight Mood Lights. For the highlighter, I'm going to be using the Skin Kiss from Makeup Revolution. For the lipstick, I'm going to be using a Liquid Linen from BHCOSMETICS in the shade Vania. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and join the family. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, lovies!